In this video, I will show you how to type in 3 column in Microsoft Word document like this. So very simple and easy way, guys. If you have only just one column as a default, and you want to make your data into 3 column, so click on this layout tab and column, and here you will see the option 2, 3. So just you have to select here 3. So automatically it will convert your data into 3 column. If you want to make your document in 3 column, new one, so simple file and blank document, and here click on layout and make here 3 column. So once you type, it will make here 3 column. So first, second, and it's third, like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.